Welcome to Big Kahuna Party Rentals, your premier source for tent rentals in Syracuse, New York. Whether you're planning a wedding, corporate event, birthday party, or any outdoor celebration, we've got you covered. Our tents create the perfect setting for any occasion, providing shade, shelter, and a beautiful backdrop for your guests. At Big Kahuna Party Rentals, we offer a diverse range of tent styles and sizes, ensuring we have the perfect tent for your event, whether an intimate gathering or a grand celebration. Our tents are stylish, durable, and weather-resistant, ensuring your event goes smoothly regardless of the weather. Our team at Big Kahuna Party Rentals is dedicated to making your event a success. We're here to guide you through every step, from choosing the right tent to finalizing the details. We understand that planning an event can be expensive, so we offer budget-friendly rental options to fit every budget. At Big Kahuna Party Rentals, you don't have to compromise quality for affordability. Make your next event unforgettable. Visit our website at www.kahunaparty.com, category tents, tables, and chairs, or call 315-806-2172 to explore our extensive range of tent rentals in Syracuse, New York. Big Kahuna Party Rentals, creating memorable events with ease.